Hey, it's me again, Miss 007 Baby Kiki. This video is a shout out to Miss Jalicia. I'm glad I came across your video for what boils my noodles, because that was a nice reminder that I hadn't done it. I did see it initially from On Deck, and that was like a long time ago. And I said I was going to do a tag video, and honestly I completely forgot. And then I came across Miss Jalicia's, so I'm glad I did, because you kind of reminded me that I needed to do it. So let's go ahead and get it cracking. Number one, what boils my noodles? People asking what you're eating when you're eating it. Okay, if you want to know what I'm eating, why not just go get it? True story. I'm eating lunch at work. Me and a friend, we both order. She don't want to order the particular salad that I want, but she orders something else. So when it comes, she looks and says, "Oh, that salad look good. Can I have some?" Hell to the no. You know why? Because you could have ordered this damn salad if you wanted it. I ain't trying to share my food. When I'm eating, guess what? Don't bother me. That's number one. Number two, people cutting in front of you in the traffic, and then when you go around, they act like they don't see you. Example, you riding, you get cut off, you get hot, you go around, and then when you turn to look at them, they got on blinders. They ain't looking at you, they ain't trying to look at you, they just hoping that you just like keep going. That's some road rage stuff, right? I don't have road rage, I have to tell you about that. But yeah, don't act like you don't see me after you don't cut me off. Really? Really? That was number two. Number three, when you out in the club and that chick that is so freaking drunk steps on your damn foot and then looks and says, "Oh, is that your foot?" You see anybody else back here? Who else foot is gonna be? If you can't hold your liquor, you don't need to be in the club, boo-boo. No, you don't. That boils my noodles. Another thing that boils my noodles, sitting at home watching TV or a movie, and the MF is upstairs either playing Romper Room or they wrestling. What the hell y'all up there doing? Really? Y'all don't know y'all got neighbors downstairs? You don't know that? That's what boils my noodles. That was number four. Number five, somebody call your cell phone. Okay? Or they call my cell phone. I don't answer. Not 2 seconds later, you calling the damn phone back. Why? Don't you know I heard it the first time? You ain't got to be calling my damn phone back to back, because guess what? I still ain't going to answer. I'm going to call you back when I'm ready to talk. You ain't always ready to talk when somebody call you. Quit calling my damn phone like that. That's one of the things that boils my noodles. Let's see. Number six. Did I skip? No, yeah. Number six. Every time you get sick at work, the first thing somebody asks you is, "Girl, you pregnant?" Damn. I just can't be sick? Why I gotta be pregnant? Why I just can't be sick? I'm just saying. This next one that boils my noodles is still kind of like on the pregnancy tip. Number seven, when you go home to visit your family and you been with your man or husband a long time, y'all ain't got no kids yet. Why I gotta have a kid? Why I gotta have a baby? I can't just let it be me and my husband? Everybody that get married or in a relationship, they gotta have a baby? I'm just saying. Y'all know I'm getting too old for that now. Damn near 40. I ain't trying to be pushing out no baby right now. I'm just saying. That's one of the things that boils my noodles. Number eight, you go out to the movies. You got some imbecile behind you either kicking your seat, or they get real grand and pop their feet up on the back of your seat. Why they do that? I don't got crunk in the movie theater before with somebody doing that. Okay? Drinks went to flying. That's all I'm saying. Don't be kicking the back of my seat, and don't be putting your funky feet up on my seat either. That boils my noodles. Number nine, people at work too busy watching what you doing. Worry about yourself, boo-boo. Guess what? I don't even take a break. But the people that smoke, they take 50 damn breaks a day. Why you worry about what I'm doing? Huh? Worry about yourself. That's what boils my noodles. That was 9. The number 10 thing, it's a lot of shit that boils my noodles, but we're gonna stick to the 10. We're gonna stick to the tag. 10. When you go out and you order food, you pay for the food, you get the food, and it ain't what you ordered. What the hell? I didn't order this. If I order something and I say, let me get a egg and cheese or the sausage, and I open it up and it's a piece of sausage or a piece of ham on there, first of all, how you know I ain't allergic to that? And you just slap that on my damn thing. Why you do that? Huh? That's the kind of stuff that makes me just want to take it and just like slang it back at them. One of the things that boils my noodles. That's my 10. Again, thanks Miss Jalicia for reminding me that I needed to do that, because I've been wanting to do that for a long time. So guess what? That's going to be my last video for today, because I'm done. I'm going to knock off my wine that I got here. Actually, this wine that I'm drinking is I think it's a cashew wine that I got when I went to Belize. Yeah, it's pretty good too. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off that glass and get me another glass and enjoy the rest of my 4th of July Sunday. If you were blessed to have this Sunday off to spend with your family and loved ones, good. So enjoy the rest of your day, family. Bless.